Thank you very much, a great National Secretary, Press Conference.
Nigerians must know that the present predicament of David Mark and his ilk has to do with the untidy way they hijacked the leadership of an existing political party without carrying along all stakeholders, resulting in court litigation before the Federal High Court, and the adverse judgment of the Court of Appeal, upon which the INEC predicated its decision not to recognize any of the two contending parties for the leadership of the African Democratic Congress, pending determination of the pending suit at the Federal High Court. The ADC of Mark went to Court of Appeal over an internal leadership dispute that was still ongoing at trial court. And in doing so, they made fundamental legal mistake. That mistake cannot be laid at the doorstep of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu or our party. The appellate court found that the lower court had not granted injunctive relief sought, but merely asked the defendant to show cause why the other sought should not be granted, implicating that Senator David Mark's faction appeal was built on its imperative to address the Nigerian people on the deliberate mischief and puerile propaganda of Senator David Mark and his co-travelers parading themselves as coalition politicians at the ignoble press conference held on Thursday, 2 April 2026. The highlights of their press conference, shorn of the unwarranted verbal piturations, are as follows. 1. They claim President Bola Tinubu is deliberately weakening opposition party to force a one-party state ahead of 2027. They also contended that INEC acted unlawfully by withdrawing recognition of their leadership, misinterpreting the Court of Appeal's order that status quo ante bellum should be maintained, and thereby they were calling that saying that INEC has taken side against them.
Now, please. Were made against our great party, the APC, and the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So we owe it as a duty to make that comment, but to say that the bulk of my work here is about INEC is not correct. There too.
But we should avoid repeating questions, please. And it is obvious. Sorry.
I just want to draw attention to a timeline.
People are sparing and in crisis. NNPP, their parties. And is the APC not sincerely worried that every... That's my question. Thank you.
Let me be taking one by one so I don't get confused.